Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art, where you can pretty much learn to draw anything and I make it easy, okay? And today we're going to draw a island with a palm tree on it. So we're just gonna do a nice simple island today, okay? So you can use it with any sort of pirate scenes or any sort of beachy things. It's a real good drawing to do for that. All right, so make sure that you're prepared for art. We're gonna make sure we have 2 pencils in case one breaks. We're gonna also make sure that we have an eraser in case we make a mistake and we wanna erase, and a good Sharpie or a black pen or something to outline your drawings with. And then of course, any colors that you guys want for your island. So it's gonna have some beach, it's gonna have a tree on it, so any of those colors that come to mind, you make sure to have those ready, okay? So here we go. First we're gonna start, I think we're gonna start at the bottom of our page and we're gonna just draw a nice half circle for our island. Okay, so at the very bottom we're gonna draw a nice mound half circle, like an island, like a big mound of sand is what it's gonna be basically. Now we're gonna just finish the bottom with the ocean. So remember, an island has water all around it, so this is the only piece of land there. Nice simple ocean waves. So we're just gonna come up and swoop down. Up, swoop down, up, swoop down. Right across your paper, guys. And then if you need to, just finish these lines that go into the water. There we go. So we have our ocean and our island ready to go. Now on the island, we're gonna put a palm tree, one tree. Nice simple island tree, palm tree. So we'll start right about here. You guys can put your tree wherever you want it on the island. So I'm gonna put mine right here at the top in the middle. So we're gonna start with a curved line up. Okay, so a curved line up and towards the left. Okay, so we'll start here, curved line up and towards the left. Now, however your curve goes, that's going to be the stem or the trunk of your palm tree. So you can make it any way you want, guys. You can make it very curvy, you can make it kind of funky, whatever. But for this purpose, we'll just make it an easy curve. Now this other line will be the same one, same curve, and it's just going to get a little bit smaller. I want it to be about that high, that width at the top. So I'm going to put a little line there, and then I'm going to start it and just kind of follow this line and connect those lines. Go. Perfect. All right, now we need to put some branches on our palm tree. So we're going to do some long spiky lines, like a triangle kind of, or like a long spiky line. So we're going to come out this way with a curvy line out. You can come right out here pretty far. Then we're going to make it sharp and come back with a thicker line. Kind of just end it a little thinner, so thick and thin. Okay, kind of like a sharp banana. All right, and then now we're gonna do one more here at the top. So we're gonna have a line that curves up and out, not quite all the way, almost about halfway. And then we'll do the same thing back, okay? So if it helps, guys, put a line where you want it to end, and you can kind of it'll help you a little bit. There you go. Far for me. That works. There's 2. We're gonna do 2 more. We're gonna do one coming out this way, hanging over the water kind of. So curved line out. And then remember, right back up, kind of fat, and then back to skinny again. And then one more line here. This branch is gonna be kind of like this. So I'm gonna start at the bottom. That. Curvy line. And you guys, these branches are yours to make. Whatever you want to make your branches, they'll look great. Okay, and then right here, we'll just finish it up. There we go, perfect. And now maybe our palm tree has some coconuts too, so we can draw those in here. Draw some circles here, one here. Maybe this one's hiding behind the branch here, so I'll just do like a half circle line there. And finish it like that. Palm tree. Okay, and now a palm tree has a kind of a funny looking stem. So I just kind of make it the diagonal lines and then go the other way. So we'll go some diagonals down this way and just kind of follow the stem as it curves. Your diagonal line kind of curves. Right? And then we're just going to go back cross hatch. Okay, so we'll start at the top again. Now I'm just going to connect to the next line down. So this first line up, we'll go to the next line. This line, next line. This line, next line. You guys see that? Perfect. And then if we want right here, we can just put a straight line across to finish up our stem. You can always use this kind of as on like a pineapple if you're drawing that too, guys. So always use that texture. All right. And now maybe I'll just put a couple things in here to make it look more like some sand. So maybe some little small lines like this, some curvy lines. Just kind of show the sand is there. Maybe one here. I think it looks good. All right. And I think that's good, guys. That's very nice, simple island right there. Easy. So next, I'm gonna just get my Sharpie. We're gonna outline everything, color it all, fast forward through it, and then we'll be right back to talk at the end. And hopefully your drawings come out just as good as mine. So here we go. Okay guys, I think we're all finished with our island today, and I think it came out awesome. Nice palm tree here with some colorful blue water. Definitely can tell I'm thinking I'm on the beach right now. Absolutely. I hope you guys' island came out just as good, if not better than what I got here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. If you want to learn more and if you want to draw more, just subscribe to the channel, and it's free. So do it. And then next thing, I hope you guys just have a great day. Take it easy.